Welcome to Chapter 3, Lesson 10. In this video, we will be working on division problems that involve a zero in the quotient. For example 1, it says, Maya is saving to buy a television. The television costs $327. She plans to save for 3 months. How much does Maya need to save each month to buy the television? So in this example, we're going to start off by estimating. If we do $300 divided by 3, that equals 100. So our estimate is that she needs to save about $100 a month. Let's go ahead and see if our estimate's correct. Step 1 is to divide the hundreds place. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3, so we subtract 3, and that brings us 0. Bring down your 2, and you see that 3 does not go into 2 evenly. So that means it goes in there 0 times. So we're going to write a 0 in our quotient. Then we subtract 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. And we bring down our 7. Now we need to divide the ones place. So we have 27 divided by 3. We know that 3 times 9 is 27. So we write our 9. And our answer there, 27 minus 27 is 0. So $327 divided by 3 equals $109. So Maya needs to save $109 each month. We can check for reasonableness by comparing it to our estimate. So $100 is approximately equal to 109. And that is example 1. We move on to example 2. In this example, we're not going to use estimating. We're going to use a different method to check our answer. It says to find 5,231 divided by 4. Step 1 is to divide the thousands. So 5 divided by 4, 4 goes in there 1 time. 5 minus 4 is 1, and we carry down our 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Now we have 3. 4 does not go into that, so this is where our 0 comes in. So it goes in there 0 times. So we have 3 minus 0 is still 3. Bring down our 1, and we are at 31. 4 goes into 31 7 times. 4 times 7 is 28. And when we subtract, we get 3. We have remainder 3. The remainder is 3. So 5,231 divided by 4 equals 1,307. Remainder 3. Or you could write it as a mixed number, 1,307 with 3 out of 4 left over. All right, in this example, we're going to use the multiplication to check our answer since we didn't estimate. So we have 1,307 times 4. We can go ahead and do our work right up here. Four times 7 is 28. Carry the 2. 4 times 0 is 0. Plus 2 is 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry your 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. So 1,307 times 4 is 5,228. And 5,228 plus our remainder of 3 gives us 5,231. So by checking with multiplication, we know that our answer was correct. I'm going to do one more problem with you, and then I'm going to have you do the rest on your own as independent practice. Let's do number 1. 842 divided by 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So it goes in here. 8 minus 8 is 0. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we can subtract 4. We get 0, carry down our 2. 4 does not go into 2. This is where our 0 comes into play. So that means that we have a remainder of 2. The very last step is important. You always have to check with multiplication. 210 times 4 equals 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus your remainder, 842. So your final answer is 210, remainder 2, or 210 and 2/4. Alrighty. For independent practice, I would like you to do problems 2, 3, 4, as well as 5 and 6. And we will check those tomorrow in class.